I have a $10,000 steak and a $1 steak. And whichever steak Ellie doesn't eat,
Ho una bistecca da $10,000 e una da $1.
bistecca e qualsiasi bistecca Ellie non mangia, io lo 私は1万ドルのステーキと1ドルのものを持っています。エリが食べないステーキを私が食べます。もう一つ。
Hello everyone, welcome to InovateIQ YouTube channel. Do you aspire to translate videos like the ones you've watched? Today's video will guide you through the process. Today, I will demonstrate how to translate videos into any language. There's a lot to cover, so let's dive into the tutorial. Step 1. Open your browser. Go to virbo.wondershare.com. Step 2. Choose Download option. You can either choose free download or generate AI video online. For this tutorial, I'll select Generate AI Video Online. Step 3. Sign up. You need to sign up using your Google account or email. I prefer using my Google account. Step 4. Click Video Translate. Once signed in, click on the Video Translate option. Step 5. Upload your video. Upload your video. I've chosen a short video of Mr. Beast as I'm a fan. This is the upload video.
I have a $10,000 steak and a $1 steak. And whichever steak Ellie doesn't eat, I will eat the other one. And this looks like barf, so hopefully she picks that one. This is the $10,000.
Select the video's language, English, and the target translate language, Japanese. You can translate to various languages like Chinese, Spanish, German, Portuguese, Italian, Japanese, Indonesian, Arabic, Filipino, Korean, Hindi, Russian, French. Confirm your settings and click on the Translate this video button. Wait for a few minutes. Step 6. This is the Translate Japanese
私
video.
は1万ドルのステーキと1ドルのものを持っています。エリが食べないステーキを私が食べます。もう一つはバフのようなので、彼女はそれを選ぶことを願っています。それが1万ドルのものです。彼女が見つめてる。これはおそらく今までで一番良いステーキの匂い。これが2ドルのものです。そうですね。あなたはそれを好きですか？彼女はもうそこにいます。覚えてみて。エリ、どのステーキにしますか？何を選びますか？
Once the translation is complete, you can view the results. This is an incredible AI tool. Wondershare Virbro not only translates videos, but allows you to create various video creations. You can create talking photos, text-to-speech videos, translations, and even make your AI avatar. It's a valuable package for creating numerous video creations. The golden point is that you can use it freely for short personal creations. Let's enjoy. If you want more video tutorials on this tool, comment below with a like. If you encounter any problems, feel free to comment. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.